Do not trade NASDAQ unless you know about these two stocks, Tesla and Amazon. These are the two most important stocks under the NASDAQ market. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using these two stocks. I'll start off by explaining the concept of NASDAQ. Then later on, I'll show you a strategy you can use to make money with these two stocks. So without wasting time, guys, let's get straight to it. The first question we have to ask ourselves is this: what is NASDAQ? NASDAQ is an online marketplace where 100 online stocks are traded. Under the NASDAQ market, we have stocks like Tesla, Amazon, Netflix, Google, and many more. Someone might ask, what is a stock? A stock is like a share of a company. It's a small unit of ownership of a company. So it means that if you want to have a ownership of a certain company, you can actually buy a stock as an investment. So it means that if that company is making money, you're also going to make money. And if that company is losing money, you're also going to lose money. But on this video, we are not going to focus on how you can buy or sell the stocks. We are only going to focus on how the stocks perform. So it means that we are not going to be part of what influences the stocks to buy or sell. We are only going to check how it buys and how it sells. Remember that these stocks, they are backed up by investors. So if you see a stock gaining value, it means that there are a lot of big investors who believe that that stock is going to rise value. So that's why they are putting money under it. And if you see it losing value, it means that investors are panicking. They're taking out money because they believe that it's going to lose value in the future. That's how stock gain value and lose value. But on this video, we are not going to focus on how these investors invest under the stocks. We are only going to focus on the performance, because the performance is going to tell us whether the NASDAQ market will buy or sell. So since we have 100 online stocks under the NASDAQ market, we're not going to focus on all 100 stocks. We're only going to focus on 7 powerful stocks. So it means that in order for the NASDAQ market to buy, these 7 stocks must be buy, and in order for it to sell, it means that these stocks must be selling. So in order for us to see how these stocks perform, we have to add them to the watch list. We have to download the CNBC app. You can get the CNBC app on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Once you download the CNBC app, you're going to add the 7 companies. You're going to add Tesla, Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and Apple. Those are the top 7 powerful stocks under the NASDAQ market. So let me quickly show you how your watch list must look like. You can see I have my top 7 stocks here, and this is the performance of the stocks. You can see all these numbers are negative, so it means that these stocks are performing bad at the moment. If we're trading this market right now, we're going to sell the NASDAQ market since all the stocks are performing bad. But if they were performing good, it means that we're going to buy the NASDAQ market. So this market here right now is not moving. It's closed because it's during weekend. Remember that this market operates from Monday to Friday, but it only opens at 3:30. So it means that in order for you to be able to trade NASDAQ, looking at this, you have to wait for 3:30. So immediately at 3:30, when the New York session opens, you're going to check how the stocks perform. So the first thing that you have to do when you go to this watch list, you have to check how Tesla and Amazon perform. So under Tesla, you have to check this number. On Amazon, you can see is -4.59, and under Tesla is -2.88. These are the numbers that you have to check. So these numbers, one between these two, it must be +5 or more in order for us to buy. And if it's -5 or lesser, it means that we are selling, right? So you just have to check these two if they are both positive on +5 or more. So if one between the two is +5 or more and the other one is also positive, you buy the market. And if one between the two is negative with -5 and also the other one is negative, you're going to sell the market. That's the first thing you have to look at. And if you find that both of them, they're not on -5 or more or +5 or more, you have to check all these 7 stocks. If all of these 7 stocks are performing bad, it means that you're going to sell the market. And if all of them, they are performing good, it means that you're going to buy the market. As simple as that, guys. Just have to check the 2 main stocks. If both of them, they are not more than 5 or -5, you check the rest of the stocks. And if you find that it's a mix, some of them they are green and some of them they are red, it means that you're not going to take your trade at 3:30. So when it comes to holding, you only hold your trade if one between the 2 main companies, Tesla or Amazon, is +5 and all of these 7 stocks are all positive. That's when you can enter and hold the trade for 1 hour up to 5 hours, depending on your target for the day. And if you find that one between the two is -5 and all of these 7 stocks are negative, that's when you can enter and hold your trade for 1 hour up to 5 hours, depending on your target. But if it's not like that, if you find that some of these stocks are positive and some of them they are negative, you're only going to enter the market and hold for 15 15 minutes up to 30 minutes, depending on your target for that day. I hope you understand everything that I explained. And remember that this market only opens at 3:30, but after 8 months it's gonna move from 3:30 to 4:30. So you just have to make sure that you are aware when it moves back to 4:30. So during winter it's 3:30, then during summer it's at 4:30. And if you don't know how to add this watch list, you can actually go to my channel. I have a full video on how you can add this watch list. Everything that I explain here, I have a full video explaining this in a very simple way. I hope you understand everything that I explained, and you'll also be able to kill the market from now on. All the best with this information, guys. I'm out.